In this short and simple tutorial, I'll show you how to create a brand new Steam account using only your mobile phone. The entire process takes just a couple of minutes, and once you're done, you'll be ready to explore thousands of games, manage your library, and use Steam's community features right from your device. First, grab your phone and open the Google Play Store if you're on Android or the Apple App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search bar, type Steam, and look for the official Steam mobile app from Valve. Go ahead and download and install the app on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Steam app. On the home screen, tap the option that says Learn More About Steam. This will take you to a built-in web page inside the app. Now scroll down a little until you see the link that says Don't have a Steam account. Tap on that. You'll now see the account creation form. The first thing you need to do is type in the email address you want to use for your Steam account. Make sure it's an email you can access right away because you'll need to verify it. After that, re-enter the same email in the confirmation box. Steam will automatically detect your country based on your location, but you can change it manually if you need to. Once that's done, scroll down and complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're a real person. Then, check the box confirming that you're at least 13 years old and agree to the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. After reviewing everything, tap Continue. Steam will now send a verification email to the address you provided. Exit the browser for a moment, open your Mail app or Gmail app, and check your inbox. Look for an email from Steam support. Once you find it, open the message and tap the button labeled Verify My Email Address. After verifying your email, return to the Steam account creation page. Now it's time to set up your login details. Create a unique Steam account name. This is your permanent username, so choose wisely. Then enter a strong password and retype it to confirm. When you're ready, tap the Done or Create Account button. Steam will finalize everything, and within a few seconds, your new Steam account will be fully set up and ready to use. That's it. Account right from your mobile phone. If you have any questions or get stuck at any step, feel free to drop a comment below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day. Happy steaming.